Hi, I'm balloon artist Parag Dagan, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a balloon flower. So in order to make the flower, I'm gonna use a red 260 and I inflated it, leaving about 5 fingers of uninflated balloon at the end. Now I'm gonna make a loop twist in the beginning of the balloon. I'm gonna take this twist and the knot of the balloon, twist them together, and then take the nozzle and pass it through this loop twist. Just like this. Now we're gonna make 5 more loop twists. Two. And the last one. So we make 6 loop twists, and then we can cut off the excess. And now take this part and just wrap it around the flower. Now let's make the stem. Let's make a bubble. And then we'll take this twist here and tuck it just right in the middle here. Just like this. Now let's hide this knot here. I'm gonna grab this bubble with my 2 fingers, pull this part of the balloon, and then wrap it around one of the petals. Now let's make 2 green leaves here, 2 loop twists, 1, and the other one will be, of course, in the same size. And then you have the flower. Last but not least, let's take the leaves here and bend them upwards. It will make the flower more beautiful. And then let's shape the stem. Oh, and the smell is also great. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you would like to enjoy more balloon art and great tutorials, please check balloonartonline.com. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon.